So once I've signed up with HostGator, they send me an email to let me know of my login details. So I head over to my email and I should have two emails from HostGator, one from billing and one about my account information. So the billing email basically just says, "Hello Brent Price, thank you for your order. You can now log into your billing." So there I can obviously change my billing information, and here's my username and my password. But what I'm looking for is the one that comes with my account information, which basically says, "Hello Brent Price, thank you for your order with hostgator.com. You can log into our billing system." Again, but I want to log in. I'm not logging into the billing system. I want to log into my control panel so that I can set up a website. So I'm going to copy my password. I'm going to open HostGator. So my username, as they said, was BrentPrice2. And then my password, which I've copied and pasted from the email that they sent. Click login. So now I'm presented with, what's this, stop evildoers? Yeah, it's going to ask me if I want to add a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, so welcome new user. Do I need help getting started? I can either say yes, go through the tutorial. No thanks, I'm fine. Don't show me this message again. Okay, so here I am in the HostGator control panel. There's a whole bunch of different things in here. We've got special offers, links, preferences. We can set up mail, files, logs, security, domains, databases, software, advanced. There's a whole bunch of things, and it may look confusing at first, but trust me, it's not, and we really only need to do a couple of things in here. Good thing about, so this is the back end of our website. This is our HostGator control panel where we can control all things about our website that we're about to set up, okay? And it also shows us how many people have come to our website, how much traffic we've had. There's a whole bunch of things that are really, really useful. Right now, what we are going to do is we're going to install WordPress on our website. So we come down here to Software and Services. We click on the Quick Install because we want to quickly install WordPress. Now this brings up a new page where it's asking us what do we want to install, and in our case here we want to install WordPress. We've got options to install Drupal, Joomla, Magento. There's a whole bunch of different things, but ideally we want to install WordPress, which we can do from here, or of course we can do up the top here. So we're clicking on WordPress. Now we have a couple of different options of installing WordPress. We've got the free option, which is what we're going to do, or of course we have the premium options where we can pay somebody else to do it for us. We don't want somebody else doing it for us. We're doing it ourselves. So we're clicking on the free install WordPress, the free option. Okay, so now it's asking us to install WordPress, fill out the form to get started. What do we need here? This may look confusing. It's looking for a path, install path here. We leave that blank because what that means is WordPress is going to be installed on the website, brentprice2.com, at the top root directory, as opposed to WordPress, brentprice.com/blog or brentprice.com /something else. So when we're going to leave the path here blank, we just want to install it at brentprice2.com. We don't want it in a subdirectory. Admin email, put in your email address. Put in a blog title, Brent Price Test website. Admin user. We need a username for the administrator. I'll just put in admin. First name, Brent. Last name, Price. And that's it. So we've filled out the options. It's going on the domain brentprice2.com. Obviously, if you had other domains, they would drop down here. We're putting it on this domain. We're not putting a path. If we wanted to put it in a subdirectory, we would have brentprice2 /blog or Brent-Price2 / WordPress or whatever we want to do. We don't want to put it there. We just want it on the top directory, so we leave that blank. Put in your email address, put in the blog title, which you can change later, your username for the administrator, your first name and last name. Click Install WordPress. Okay, we're setting up WordPress for you. Find a theme. Not interested in that just yet. We'll do that shortly. Okay, so it's telling us that our install is complete. Click here to view notifications. We need to click here because that's going to give us our username as well as our password.